I am Hobo Man, and I am Ringtone Guy. We must unite. What the heck was that frickin' noise? It was a horrible ringtone. We must save the poor soul who has endured such a horrific noise. Yes, we must save the person who was so horribly affected by that horrible ringtone, and afterwards we should go get a blizzard from Dairy Queen, but you have to pay for it. Okay, but you have to do me a solid before we get ice cream from Dairy Queen, and after we stop that maniacal ringtone you must scratch my back. Okay, I will do a freaking solid. Ploop you.